Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to discuss about Ashoka pillars in India. The Ashoka pillar in India are structures erected by the Mauryan king Ashoka between 268 to 232 BC across the Indian subcontinent. They are a representation of his dynamic rule and conquest across India. While most of the pillars have either withered away or destroyed by his future ruler, 20 pillars still stand tall in India. The pillars are the earliest known stone sculptures in India and demonstrate the culture of the advanced Mauryan civilization. So, the first, Ashoka pillar in Sarnath. The national emblem of India and a mark of Emperor Ashoka's visit to Sarnath, this 50-meter tall pillar, crafted out of a stone in an impressive structure with four lions on top. This 50-meter long pillar, along with the Dhamek Stupa, are Ashoka's gift to Buddhism, and the entire complex has a calm aura to it. A number of monks are spotted meditating around the compound. The entire complex is filled with lush green lawns, and along with the stupa, they resemble a colony, with the Ashoka pillar being the main attraction. Second Ashoka pillar in Allahabad. It's placed outside the Allahabad fort. The 16th century structure was constructed by Emperor Akbar. The exterior of the Ashoka pillar in India has inscriptions from Ashoka in the Brahmi script. Even Samudragupta and Jahangir have added some inscription later in the Gupta script, a refined version of the Brahmi. Third Ashoka pillar. It's situated in Sanchi. This Ashoka pillar in India was erected in the 3rd century, and its structure is influenced by the Greco-Buddhist style, a remnant of Sanchi's ancient history. This pillar still stands strong and appears newly built despite being centuries old. It also resembles the Sarnath pillar a lot. Second Ashoka pillar situated in Vaishali. King Ashoka became a great follower of Buddhism after the massacre of Kalinga and erected his famous Ashokan pillar in Vaishali, which was to memorialize the last sermon of Lord Buddha that took place here. There is a figure of a lion flawlessly engraved at the top of the pillar facing north, believed to be the direction of Lord Buddha's last voyage. There is also a brick stupa and a pond known as Ramkund next to the pole, which sums up to make a sanctified spot for Buddhists. There is also a small tank here known as Ramkund. Moving towards the next Ashoka pillar, Laurya Nandangarh Ashoka pillar in Patna. Laurya Nandangarh is a historic town in the state of Bihar and is located at a distance of 22 km from the district of Bettiah. Laurya Nandangarh boasts of housing one of the Ashokan pillars in India, which consists of the 6th Ashokan proclamation. The height of the pillar is more than 12 meters, and even after so many years, the modern polish used on the pillar maintains its radiance and sheen. The pillar is inscribed with 6 Ashokan edicts issued by the emperor in the year 244 BC. The Ashoka pillars in India, they represent an era of strength and bravery of King Ashoka before he was enmewed by the teaching of the Buddha and decided to adopt a non-violent way of life. Guys, do you also have an Ashoka pillar in your city? If you have, then do let me know in the comments below. Thank you. Do like, share, comment on this video and subscribe my channel.